let's take a bite of that. That's fantastic. Hey everyone, welcome to It's All About the Dough, and in today's video we're going to be making something very special. We're going to be making calzones, okay? Not pizza, but we're going to be making calzones. I really love calzones. We got the dough fermenting here. We've been proofing this here for about 10 hours now. Those are ready to go. So don't forget to like, subscribe, make a comment down below, and hit that bell notification button. All right? Here we go, boys and girls.
From
Now, just word of advice, I want to kind of let this cool down beforehand. Let's look at that right there. There's right there. Ingredients. Let's take a bite of that. That's fantastic. Some dipping sauce here. Some tomato sauce. So good. I'm gonna swipe my mouth here. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell notification button. Click a like, make a comment, share with your friends. Easy, simple to make calzones. Just a different way of eating your favorite pizza. Take care. I love you. Before I forget. So that's why it's very important to make sure you drain all your water from your tomato sauce and then your cheese. Okay? Because look at that. No drip. Nothing's dripping there. See? That's good. You don't have a soggy. It's not a soggy calzone. Okay? So remember, drain your tomatoes if it needs to be drained, and make sure you let your fresh mozzarella drain as well too. Get all that excess water off. Okay? If you want to put mushrooms inside, cook them beforehand. Eliminate that excess water. Water is your enemy. That's your tip for today. Okay. Okay. Just forgot to mention, guys. Very important. And this is why it's important to drain your water from your.